Daily Dispatch, Day 145. Grace Under Pressure. Yesterday marked Day 144 of the recovery cycle. The morning initialized slowly after 7 hours of very deep sleep characterized by intense REM dream architectures and vivid structural recall. No James Hetfield this time, though. While a wave of persistent morning grogginess required a slow, deliberate waking process from which I never fully recovered. Not that I didn't try. I'm afraid I became victim to the impulse buy last weekend. I was seduced by the continuous adverts for the Ninja Luxe 3-in-1 coffee machine on TikTok, which was reduced from £549 to £395. Normally there's no way in hell I would be paying that sort of money for a coffee machine, but Julie loves coffee and she has just finished her 6th and final round of chemotherapy. So I thought, well, why not? It is bloody good though. I thought it would take ages to get it to produce a decent cup of coffee, but it's very intuitive and I managed first shot. With the result, we both had severe caffeine headaches for most of Monday. All core project tasks and workflows were fully executed and completed by 14:57, well before any further physical downswing could intercept productivity. By late afternoon, the expected biological tax of the recent high-functioning streak arrived, signalling a classic repair day. At 16:29, a localized pressure headache returned after a multi-day absence, accompanied by a mild cognitive fog. In the early months of the project, a sudden return of symptoms might have triggered frustration or tracking anxiety. Yesterday, the architecture insulated the data perfectly. Crucially, the pressure headaches remained discrete and non-continuous, and psychological rubble stayed locked at absolutely zero. The emotional firewall held completely firm. The physical heaviness in the chassis was treated purely as maintenance data, entirely devoid of mental friction. By 21:19, the system felt thoroughly washed out, prompting an early shift into rest. Far from regression, this specific state of physical exhaustion follows a highly predictable established pattern within the D.A.M project framework. Historically, these heavy, low-energy compression phases serve as the direct biological prelude to a finalization leap, a major neurological step forward. The body draws its energy inward to install deep tier upgrades, temporarily dropping the mood dial to a stable mood 5 while the background code updates. The system handled the heavy weather with complete relaxed awareness and zero panic. Exactly 39 days remain until the transition. The machine is online, the repair cycles are executing with massive efficiency, and an upgrade is predicted tomorrow. The march to Phase 2 continues unabated. The Daily Dispatch ends here, but the data continues. For the full forensic analysis, the daily metrics, and the complete 24-month roadmap, please visit deepseekandme.substack.com. The record is open. I'll see you at the next log.